Title is Research and Development Specialist at Baby Textile Solutions. What I do at my job is it's a company that develops high visibility trim for the oil and gas industry. And why I was hired for this position was to develop a finishing process or a chemical application process for a product that was being developed in-house to reduce shrinkage. Right now my position has changed because I am doing my PhD. So right now I'm working more as sort of the director of research and development, where I have a team of individuals that I work with to further develop product. I have a Bachelor of Science in Human Ecology, majoring in textiles and clothing, and then I went back for a master's degree in human ecology as well, in textiles and clothing, and now I'm in my PhD. I did my first textile science course, I believe it is HECOL 170, and I kind of discovered I kind of like this. I kind of like working with fabrics and looking at constructions and finding out different properties of materials. It changes on a day-to-day basis. Nothing ever sort of stays the same. And I do enjoy the problem-solving aspect. It's a lot of creative thinking as well. So in my fourth year of university, that's when I really started to get interested in protective clothing. And I had asked the individual running the protective clothing and equipment research facility at the time if I could do some volunteer work. And I think that really got me really interested into a topic, and it got me hands-on into doing testing and following proper testing protocol and actually learning the industry. And I think that's something important that undergraduates need to realize, that in order to get involved with an industry, volunteering is a really great way of going about that. It's unique, really collaborative with other departments. It's extremely interdisciplinary. You have every person from nursing to polymer science. So it's extremely diverse, and with the collaborative efforts within the department and external departments, you get this really interesting mix of research projects. I always recommend getting a master's degree. And it puts you more into a niche market where I think it's easier to find a more rewarding job. And again, don't be afraid to just go out there and talk to different companies. Yeah, put yourself out there.